Manje njengoba nikhulisa lo mfana ngaphansi kwezimo enimkhulisa ngazo nifuna ukumbona yapi ezabazali bakhe. I mean, of course udlalela iKaizer Chiefs, one of the biggest teams in the continent. Nalokho kufike kanjani kini?
No, Puti, I mean, like, it's every South African's child's dream ukuthi ayodlala abroad. So nami share the same sentiment ukuthi ngiyawisha nje ukuthi naye when the time is right akhona naye ukuthi ayodlalela one of the biggest teams again overseas. That's the whole plan, that's the whole dream. But
Yip team.
for now I wouldn't say the name, but I know there is that one big team that he needs to play for.
Yeah, like South Africa.
No, abroad.
Abroad.
Yes, sir. Obviously, South Africa is playing for one of the biggest teams in Africa, but so I mean, like, abroad.
Kunjani ukudila nomfana o famous kangaka amncane kangaka?
Kona kuyadileka because noma uhamba naye like uyavinjwa estradini ba obrigado but ngimushela ukuthi I stay humble, I respect as abantu. That's it.
Ngizokhuluma ngeDoron Student Foundation because nami ngiyiphathi yayo. Yenzeni for umfundo Vilakazi for him to grow. I remember quite well Sasise Phillies games Tembisa where he was playing and he was seen there and then he blew up with country on. That moment ishintshe kanjani impilo yenu?
Ngithanda ukuthi ngibonge amachita abayi part of iDoron Student. So shout out to Ushuza as the coach, you understand. So just not akazange abe coach kuphela kumfundo, but while I was still absent, he was a present father to Mfundo. So I'm very grateful to him and to the organization as a whole. So what they did for Mfundo, nathi as a family, angeke sikhohle sithi siyabonga kakhulu to Doron Student for the opportunities abakhona ukuthi bamnikeze zona, i-exposure ukuthi akhona nokudlala iPhillies game. I doubt ukuthi maybe if akazange adlala iPhillies game ngabe sila today, but it could have happened maybe later, but maybe ngokudlala iPhillies game things that have happened earlier than we expected.
Ekhaya umfundo umntwana onjani ngoba uyambona umfundo uhlala zambela i1 nje ulena nje, you know, he's always away from into ezimkhulumisayo. Uthila kanjani naye gezi zitsha enzani?
Ezingishilo umfundo ukhulele kugogo, so okuningi nje azange mina ngahlala naye. Sasa like ngizobele mova uhlale nogogo kakhulu, like I wouldn't say ukuthi umntana onjani, but meke vakashile umntana oright, umntana othumekayo, umntana nje oright.
Nithini kubazali bonke ngizoyibeka straight abakhulisa abantwana abafana nomfundo, talented children, famous children who are doing well in sports now and in every other thing. Nithini nje kubo njengoba kunama challenges ukukhulisa umntwana, kodwa ungathini nje kulabo bazali?
Any parent or to those parents aba raise so called maybe abantu aba famous, not celebrities, but I would say they just need to stay humble and be grounded, and then sibeke uNkulunkulu phambili ngoba konke okwenzakalayo umusa wakhe. It's not because of ukuthi thina semizalile umfundo or it's how we're raising him, it's all by God's grace.
Yeah.
Siyabonga.
All right, siyabonga.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Siyabonga.